Hey, it's Sasquatch Steve. I'm going to show you how easy it is today to put on this calf bar on the Ford Bronco Raptor. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know the Ford Raptor comes with this cool accessory kit. It has all the necessary tools to put on various accessories on your Bronco Raptor. Also, I invested in a small toolkit out of Amazon Prime. Kind of the same thing. Just make your life a lot easier when you're putting on these accessories. All right, first step we have to do is take your T40 wrench and take off 4 bolts off the bumper. Very easy to do, just quick twist, comes right off. Same thing on the other side. All right, this is the calf bar from Amazon Prime. I'm just gonna line it up on the holes and put the bolts back on. Watch how easy this is to do. Line your bolts up. Just a couple twists. Kind of thumb tighten it. Then over to the other side. Just to get everything in place. Come on over. Okay. All right, got the calf bar on the boss's Ford Bronco Raptor. Took me 5 minutes to do this installation. Took me more time to bring the tools out. I want to show you guys out there. Got to keep Ford in the family. Ford Limited next to the Bronco Raptor. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Next time, we're going to show you how to put 5 accessories in under $25. Thank you.